So I don't know. I mean, I've tried to call. Let's see here. Oh, you funny, buddy. Man, I'm gonna see if I can even get parts for it, and we're gonna quit right here for today, and I'm gonna see if I can get. Okay. All right. So I got the VIN number, so we're gonna quit for today, and we are going to. I'm going to see if I can even get parts for this thing before we finish raising it up, because this one here has presented us with a brand new set of obstacles. This has a full bath, has a shower, toilet, and this thing here, I didn't push the record button. Oh. I'm one of them geniuses. Yeah. You know, I've heard of these geniuses. You know what? I think I'm one. I done talked to the camera for 5 minutes. Best video I'd ever done. And I forgot to push the record button. And my helper, he don't say nothing. He's like,
I didn't notice.
yeah, that's what he says now. All right, he's probably laughing the whole time. But as I was saying, which you couldn't hear because I didn't push the record button, we did get the top up. Nobody died. That's always a big plus. I keep poking Cameron in the eye here. I'll just put my hands in my pocket. I can't talk now. my hands in my pocket. I can't talk. Okay, I'll take one hand out. Once we got now I'm pointing at me. Once we got the legs attached to the top, things got a lot better. So we got it raised up, no problem.
Where were you?
Yeah, it wasn't. It is now. It wasn't. Okay, once again, I've done a bunch of talking. Well, a little bit of talking. And the record button was not pushed. I got to quit doing that. Typically, these above,